Okay, can you describe the diagram that we have here?
All right, we have 2 bunches of grapes, which is worth 20 grapes in total.
Nice. How is that spelled in the equation?
2g equals 20.
Uh-huh. What's happening to the G?
It's getting multiplied by 2.
How do we undo that? Show me with the grapes.
We have to divide
All the way across, right? Divide everything by what?
by 2.
Okay. Before you write, what's that gonna leave you with in the picture there?
It's going to leave me with 1 bunch of grapes.
Now move to the right-hand side. What happened over there?
It is getting divided by
Don't say it.
2. The 20 is getting divided by 2, so that would make it 10.
And what is this going to be? What is this?
10 grapes in total.
Wait, what's here though?
1 bunch of grapes.
Okay, and how do you spell that?
Just G.
So we've got
G. 10G.
equals, G.
G. Oh yeah, mirror line.
G
Equals 10.
Good, that's our answer. Now let's work through the process, all right? So show me what's going to happen.
All right, so we are going to have to divide this by 2, and what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. And 2 divided by 2 equals 0, so...
Wait, it's not worth 0. Can you show me what that's going to be when you have 2 halves?
That would be 1 whole...
Nice. 1 whole what?
1 whole grape.
How do you spell that? You're right.
You would just make it G.
Okay.
And
Equals?
Then equals 10, because 20 divided by 2 equals 10.
Nice.